Welcome to My Curly Girls and Me, and if this is your first time, welcome to our channel. So today I'm showing you how I have been keeping my daughter's hair in this protective style throughout the summer. She really likes the 2 braids to the back or 5 braids to the back. Usually I use this, but I'm almost out, so today I'm going to be using this Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So I've really been liking this process of applying the shampoo to dry hair because it just cuts out time and the hair is less tangled, and this way I'm able to distribute the product through her hair, cleanse it, and do a light finger detangle. My daughter Deja gave me this idea, so I've been doing this for a while and I really like that. Well, I shouldn't say she gave me this idea, but she reminded me of this because I used to do it a long time ago and just stopped somewhere along the way. I usually rinse out her hair in the kitchen on the countertop, and I prefer it that way because this way, bending over in the tub, it kind of hurts your back. So here I am lightly, not lightly, well, finger detangling. Yeah, lightly finger detangling her hair, making sure that it's, ready for the braiding process, the protective style, and it doesn't have any extra kinks and knots in it. So with any protective style, you want to make sure that the hair is well moisturized underneath. So I'm using this moisturizing detangler here by Ransom, their mango butter, the nourishing growth oil on her scalp, and I will be using some of the rosemary gel around the perimeter of the braid to kind of give it a little hold. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up, and we'll see you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe and your bell is turned on to receive notifications whenever we post a new video.